Welcome my channel. Today let's explore the 1988 Liberty $quarter coin, is part of the United States regular coinage series. However, a more detailed breakdown of its circulation, geography, condition, and value in various forms is essential for collectors or investors. Let's break it down into detailed sections. Minted year, 1988. Obverse design, features the portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan. Reverse design, displays an eagle with an olive branch in one claw and arrows in the other, representing strength and peace. Mint mark location, the mint mark P, D, or S can be found on the reverse side of the coin, near the bottom of the eagle. Minted at, the 1988 quarter was produced at the following U.S. mint locations. Philadelphia, no mint mark standard production. Denver, D standard production. San Francisco, S-proof coinage only. Composition, 91.67% copper, 8.33% nickel, clad composition. Weight, 5.67 grams. Diameter, 24.3 millimeters. Edge, reeded. General circulation, the 1988 quarter was circulated across the United States, with millions being produced for general use. It was released into public circulation following the minting process, and remained in use for many years as part of regular coinage. Philadelphia, P 460 million, standard circulation. Denver, D 619,280,000, standard circulation. San Francisco, S 3,348,835, proof only. The condition of a coin significantly affects its value. Here's an overview of the coin's value in different conditions. In regular circulation, most 1988 quarters are in very good or fine condition, with some wear on the high points. Common circulated condition, good to fine generally, these quarters in low-grade condition are worth face value 25 cents. Average circulated condition, AU or uncirculated for coins that are not significantly worn, they may fetch more, typically between 50 cents and $1. Mint state, MS uncirculated coins can range from MS60 to MS70, depending on their preservation and quality. MS60 to MS63, generally worth around $1 to $5. MS64 to MS66, these coins could be worth around $5 to $15. MS67 and higher, coins with excellent quality can range from $20 to $50 or higher. C. Proof coins. The 1988 proof quarter, minted only at the San Francisco Mint, was produced in limited numbers for collectors. Proof coins are struck with a polished die to create a mirror-like finish and sharp details. Proof condition, these coins are generally worth $5 to $10 depending on their condition and the demand at the time of sale. Higher grades of proof coins can be worth $20 or more. For example, a 1988 S-proof quarter in PR70 condition can command a price of around $30 to $50. Proof coins from the San Francisco Mint are highly prized among collectors due to their striking appearance and limited mintage. They are produced with a special, highly polished die, which makes the details on the coin sharper and more reflective than standard circulation coins. The 1988 S-proof quarter is one of many in a series of proof quarters issued for collectors, following the release of coins like the 1988 S-proof penny, 1988 S-proof dime, etc. Rarity and proof value. In the world of coin collecting, proof coins are often seen as an opportunity for both investment and collection. Their value is driven by several factors. Rarity, the mintage of the 1988 S-proof quarter was relatively low compared to the circulation strikes. Condition, coins graded PR70, the highest possible grade for proof coins, are more valuable than those graded PR69 or lower. Market trends, proof coins are subject to the fluctuations of the numismatic market. Demand for proof sets or individual coins might increase or decrease, influencing the value. In top-tier conditions, a 1988 S-proof quarter can be sold for upwards of $30 to $50, with higher grades reaching even greater value depending on the buyer's demand. Condition grading, when buying or selling coins, always take into consideration the coin's grade. Coins are typically graded on a scale of 1, poor, to 70, perfect, and this grading is essential for determining the coin's market value. Coins from proof sets. Many collectors seek proof sets rather than individual coins because the proof coins in these sets are often well preserved and typically come in protective cases. Market trends. The value of a 1988 Liberty quarter may vary depending on collector interest, especially in relation to other modern coins or commemorative quarters. The 1988 Liberty quarter coin is not exceptionally rare, but certain conditions, like uncirculated or proof versions, can fetch premium prices. In general, it's worth face value in circulated conditions, but as a proof coin or in higher grades, its value can increase significantly, making it attractive for numismatic collectors. Be sure to check the coin's condition and provenance when determining its worth in the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more coin collecting content.